Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to find the sum of all elements of a string. Okay, if all elements of a string are digits, then we will find the sum. Otherwise, we will not find the sum. Okay, so let's code. Take a variable named as a to take input. I will write here string input and enter string here. Okay, and now I will write here if to check the string all digits are integer or not, we will write if a dot is digit. If a dot is digit means if it is true, the output is true, then all the elements of the string is in digits. Okay, if it is false, then all the means not all the elements of the string is digits. Okay, then I will write here if a dot is digit is false. Okay, f a l s e. Okay, if it gives you false, then I will write here print all elements are not digits. Okay, else means if it is true, then all the elements are digits. Then we will write code here. Let us take a variable named as v to convert the a into integer. Int a. Okay, so we will write an operation on b. So I will write here while b is not equal to 0, I will take a variable named as remainder equal to ram equal to v modulus 10. This ram gives you a last digit of this string. Okay, means if we take the string as means 111. Okay, it will give you last 1 2 3, it will give you 3 last number of the string. Okay, and now I will write here sum equal to sum plus k remainder. Okay, and b equal to v divided by 10 to update the v in every step. Okay, and I have to store sum here. Sum initialize करना पड़ेगा sum equal to 0, and outside the else statement I will write here print sum is comma sum. Let's run the code. 1 2 3 enter. So sum is 6. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.